going up to, I think it's Sturgeon Nub, all the way up the mountain. I think it's the highest point in West Virginia. I just saw an accident from a guy who was coming down, and the motorcycle basically went under the railing. I don't know exactly how it happened, but I'm pretty sure that he was coming too fast. This is a really, really wavy road, and it's going, you see how, at least where we were at, where he had the accident, it was a 2-lane street. This one, it's a 2-lane street, or a two, whatever it is, but their car coming, incoming, ongoing. So you have to be careful the way you make the turns, and you know how fast you go, and you know it's dangerous. So you have to slow down, take it easy. I'm not trying to die, but it makes you feel like, Jesus Christ, to be more and more careful, to see it. I mean, I didn't see it happen, but I took pictures of the motorcycle, and now that I see this, the road, how narrow it is, and I'm happy that there is a car in front of us, that makes the guy in front slow down, and you know, it makes me more conscientious that, you know, the turns are very sharp. You can't see the oncoming traffic, so you have to be careful. Ouch, for me, there is no rush to get anywhere. I mean, I'm gonna take my time to get up there. Gus has done it, I guess, in the past, and I wanted to come because it's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful mountaintop, but I am going to take my time riding all the way up. I feel no need to rush. I want to get there safe. I want to get there, you know, I want to be able to enjoy it. So these are the type of sharp turns that you have to be extra careful. So, and I am not very experienced in this type of, you know, like U-turns, kind of cornering. So I'm gonna take my time. I don't want to go to, you know, not be able to maneuver the motorcycle. And I have to be honest with you guys. I'm a little nervous. I don't think, I mean, I'm like speechless because of what I saw, and I think that's what made me nervous at the beginning. And like you see, the cars are coming this way, and we're going the opposite side, and we have to be extra careful, or at least I want to be extra careful. Even if I do 10-20 miles an hour to get to the top, I want to get there in one piece, and I want my motorcycle to be in one piece. And I think it's a lesson that, you know, motorcycling is fun, touring is fun, but there are certain roads that I do have a lot of respect for. So I'm slowing down because I can't see what's gonna come out from the corner or the side. And like I said, there is a car in front of us, but there's also cars coming towards us. So I want to be careful. I want to make sure that everybody is okay, that my group is okay. So full concentration on this going up the mountain. I mean, I'm excited to go, but at the same time I feel like my whole body is reacting to what I just saw. My whole body. And I'm not a very, like I said, experienced rider when it comes to these sharp turns that where you cannot see the oncoming or whatever it's on the other side, when you actually can see the next turn. So I will let you guys enjoy the view, but I am not gonna say anything anymore because I'm nervous and I need to own that, but I need to overcome and I need to do this to gain experience. You see that there are no railings on either side, so like I said, I'm taking my time. I am in no rush. It's beautiful, but I don't want anything to happen to me or to Gus or to Howie or Aram. So see, when I can see far away to what I need to maneuver, I'm perfectly fine. But when it comes to those corners that you cannot see a thing until you actually get out of it, get in it and get out of it, I want to be able to slow down, and be closest to the ditch on this side as I can, because I don't want to crash or you see those streaks right there, people going too fast, and I don't particularly like these kinds of roads, but I wanted to come. I wanted to make the effort. I just didn't think it was going to be so dangerous, or at least that's how I feel, that it is dangerous. The good thing about it is that it's a one-way there are motorcycles coming down, and I don't see Howie anymore. So, but I don't care if I don't see anybody right now. I only want to concentrate in what I'm doing. I want to get there safe and sound and enjoy the view, and then come back down and go back to the hotel for the day. See, like this turns like this. You can't see a single thing until you actually get out of it. And I'm sure it's exciting to go up and to see how beautiful the top part of the mountain is. I think it's the highest point in West Virginia, the highest mountain in West Virginia, and I'm sure it has an amazing view, but I do want to get there. Like I said, I'm in no rush to get there. I will get there sometime this afternoon. I think it said it was only 12 miles, but I can see why it takes people approximately 49 minutes to get up here. So I'm taking it easy, taking my time, enjoying the ride, being extra careful with the turns, and you see an accident like that and you think that could have been me. That could be me, actually. Like right now, you see how the car was gonna go like it right in the middle? Like, dude, it's a two-way street. Freaking people, man. Don't go in the middle of the road. Stay in part of your lane. Don't try to Oh, that is one amazing view. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my God. Wow, did you guys see that? Oh, I'm sure the top is gonna be beautiful. Now I'm really, really excited. Woo! Man, it's gonna be worth it. And whatever I was feeling, it's all gone. It makes it 100% worth it. So I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. See, there comes Howie trying to overcome everybody. Here we go. Now we're gonna climb. The higher we get, the cooler it's gonna get. Okay, now he can overcome anybody he wants. Straight away. almost there. Or that's what it looks like. Let's see, let's see. So I look at the all right, let's go. Wow, that's amazing.